What's up guys? No doubt the Galaxy Note 10 is a massive upgrade over the Note 9 cause it features an all-screen display that I think looks even better than the Galaxy S10's Infinity O screen, a redesigned camera system and a much better hardware, and the S Pen functionality has also been improved, and the new phone delivers fast battery charging speeds like no other Samsung phone. In the past few weeks, I have also learned that the Note 10 features the best display in the industry, which is slightly better than the S10's OLED panel as well as the best camera system. In other words, the phone should definitely be on your radar if you are shopping for a flagship Android handset, and it sure looks like the phone has been selling well in the Samsung's home country. Yeah guys, I'm talking about Korea. Pre-orders surpassed 1.3 million in the company's home country, Samsung told the Korea Herald, which is double the number of the Galaxy Note 9 pre-orders last year. The Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus have been available for pre-order for 11 days from August 9th through August 19th. The most popular Note 10 model wasn't the cheapest, smallest Note you can buy. Instead, it's the cheapest Plus variant of the handset, the one which ships with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage out of the box. Samsung actually said that it was the Aura Glow 256 gigs Note 10 Plus model that sold the best in the region. The report notes that the carrier subsidies may have played a huge role, with carrier offerings anywhere from 2,80,000 won, near about $232, to 4,50,000 won, near about $372 subsidies to buyers. Before the carrier set subsidy limits, some agencies illegally offered up to 7 lakh won, near about $579 for Note 10 purchases, which accounts for more than half of the phone's price. Prices start in at $949.99 and $1,099.99 in the United States for the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus respectively. The phones will start shipping on August 23rd in all the markets. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.